Hi guys, let's continue with our comparing number. Here we have two numbers. Over here is 120. Over here is 102. We're going to use the base 10 blocks to represent our numbers, and then we're going to compare. So 120, I have 100, 110, 120. Over here I have 102. So that's 1, 2. So let's look. Over here is 120. Over here is 102. So what symbol needs to go here to make this true? 120, is it less than 102? No. 120, is it equal to 102? Are they the same? No, they are not. So 120 is greater than 102. Good job. All right, now let's see. I'm thinking of a number. That number is 97. And then I'm thinking of another number. It is 79. Okay, now I'm going to use my base 10 blocks to represent my numbers. So over here, 97. So let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, and 97. This size represents 97. Over here I have 79, so I need to represent that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. So let's look. Over here, I have 9 tens. Over here, I only have 7 tens. Therefore, this number is larger, so this number is greater than. 97 is greater than 79. Let's look at one more problem. On this side, I have the number 102. On this side, I have the number 102. So, what does that look like? Here's 100, 101, 102. Over here is the same number, 100, 101, 102. Therefore, they're both equal to each other. All right, let's see. This problem says Michael has 113 yellow pencils. He also has 103 red pencils. Choose the comparison sentence that compares Michael's pencils. All right, so let's look at our answer choices. Choice A says 113 equals to 103. We know that they are not equal. That cannot be our answer. Let's look over here. B says 113 is greater than 103. That could be true. Let's look at all the answer choices before we make our decision. Over here it says 103 is greater than 113. Over here it says 113 equals 113. while that is true, that is not the answer we're looking for because he has 113 yellow pencils and 103 pencils, and those are the two numbers we're comparing. So we know that is not it. So we know that we're comparing the number 113 and the number 103. So let's take a look here. We have, okay, 100 is the same. Oh, this one has 110. This one has 0 tens. So this number is greater than. So 113 is greater than 103. So our answer that says that is choice B. B is our correct answer. This problem says Jane has 105 stickers. Lisa has 110 stickers. Which sentence shows the correct way to compare Jane's and Lisa's stickers? So we know Jane has 105 stickers and Lisa has 110 stickers. So we are comparing those two numbers. Is the correct answer A, B, C, or D? Remember, we can also compare our numbers this way. Okay? All right, I look forward to hearing your answer.